Namaskar students and welcome to part 3 of 6 Maths lesson number 4 operations on fractions. In this video we are going to see the subtraction sums based on fractions. So let's begin with the first sum. 3 1 upon 3 minus 1 1 upon 4. The method is same like the addition. We just have to do minus in place of plus. Just that difference. So children, here again we'll observe the denominators which I see are not same. We are always asking ourselves two questions. Are the denominators same? No. Are the denominators coming in same table? No. Then we are straight away cross multiplying if the answer is no for both the questions. But before that we convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. So let's do that. Into and plus, same method. Into and plus. 3 into 3 plus 1. Denominator remains the same. 1 into 4 plus 1. There was a minus sign, children. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 1 4s are 4 plus 1 5. See now children, I can very clearly see that the denominators are not same. So we are going to cross multiply them. 3 with 4 and 4 with 3. Into 4, same we do up also just for balancing. Into 3 and same up also. 10 4s are 40, 3 4s are 12, minus 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12. Now see, both have same denominator. Forty minus 15 upon 12. 40 minus 15 will be 25. You can divide and convert it into mixed fraction. 12 2s are 24. Now we'll write in mixed fraction form. Quotient, remainder and over. Next sum. Into and plus. First let's convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Into and plus again. 5 into 2 plus 1. Denominator remains same. 3 into 3 plus 1. Now 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. Now we can see very clearly that the denominators are not same. And they are not coming in same table also. Answer for both questions is no. So we will cross multiply them. Two multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 2. 11 3s are 33. 2 3s are 6. 10 2s are 20. 3 2s are 6. Now let's take a common denominator. 33 minus 20. 13. Let's write it in mixed fraction form. Six twos are 12. Denominator remains same. Quotient is 2. Remainder is 1. So that's our second sum's answer. Now let's move to the third sum. First let's convert them into improper fraction. Into and plus. Into and plus. 7 into 8 plus 1. Denominator remains same. 6 into 10 plus 1. There's a minus sign, children. Seven eights are 56 plus 1 57. 6 tens are 60 plus 1 61. Now let us see the denominators, children. Ask yourself two questions. Are the denominators same? No. Are the denominators coming in same table? Yes. They come in the table of 2. So children, answer for both questions is not no. You cannot cross multiply them. You can, but you will get a very big answer. Then you will have to cancel. So in the beginning only we will do it in the correct way. So they are coming in the table of 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Both are coming in table of 2. Fine. We'll cancel the table of 2. Now 4 and 5 are the uncommon factors. So now these ones we are going to cross multiply. That will make your work quite easier. But you have to do this method before only. This 57 upon 8 we will multiply with 5, children. Observe carefully. Minus and 61 upon 10. This we will multiply with 4. Okay, children? If you don't understand, pause, take turn back, see it again. 57 into 5. Let's multiply and find out. 5 sevens are 35. 5 fives are 25 plus 3. 28. 8 fives are 40. Minus 61 into 4. 4 ones are 4. 6 fours are 24. 244. 10 fours are 40. See, children. We'll take a common denominator and subtract both of them. 285 minus 244. So we are getting 41. Let's convert it in. See, children, 41s are 40, but we will divide, children. 41s are 40. 1 remainder. 1 in both places. 1 and 1. Simple. So this sum is over. Let's move to the next sum. First we'll convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Into and plus. Into and plus. 7 into 2 plus 1. Denominator remains the same. 3 into 5 plus 1. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. Here children, if we see the denominators carefully, they are not same and they are not coming in same table also. Answer for both questions is no. So we are going to cross multiply them. Two into 5, same up also, and 5 into 2. 15 into 5, 75. 2 5s are 10 we know. 16 into 2, 32. Upon 10. Now let's take a common denominator and subtract them. We'll subtract them. 43. Let's convert this into mixed fraction. 10 4s are 40. Remainder 3. Now denominator is 10, quotient is 4 and remainder is 3. So children, this is our answer, and here we complete with our subtraction sums based on fractions. In the next video, we are going to continue with the word problems of the same lesson. I hope that you all have understood everything. If you have understood everything, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end.